Due to recent system upgrades, the navigation to the budget and reporting tools has changed. Here are the new navigation instructions. After logging in to PantherSoft Financial, click on the Employee Self-Service located in the upper side of the page. Click on Budget Development. Now you are in the home page where all the necessary tools to develop your budgets are located. To run reports, click on Envision on the left-hand side of the page. You have access to Define Reports Request, where you can run the reports, Report Manager, where you can download the report when it's ready. To go back to the Budget Development homepage, you may click on Budget Development link in the upper left-hand corner. To run a query, click on Query Tools and run your query. As previously mentioned, to go back to the Budget Development homepage, you may click on the Budget Development link in the upper left-hand corner. Finally, yet importantly, to review and edit your budgets, click on the Budget tools. Here, you can access the following tools: the Position Budget, the Transfer In/Out, the DSO Reimbursement, and the Detail Budget Maintenance. Following are the instructions on how to use the tool you have selected. The RQ is important because it shows all of your activity numbers as well as all your funding sources. This report is helpful to run before and after changes made to your detailed budget maintenance. Let's first run the report and then go into the detail of what the report includes. To run the RQ report, navigate to the main menu, Reporting Tools. In the PS Envision folder, click on Define Report Request link. On the report request page, type in FIU01 for all operating sources or FIU02 for FIU Foundation. In the report ID field, enter RQ and your executive area, if you know it, or RQ to choose from the list and search. Click Search. On the Define Report Request page, make sure you update the following. Verify the layout. For this, you can copy the layout name before the year. Click on the lookup icon. Paste the layout name on the Envision Layout search box and click Lookup. Select the latest year. Verify the As of Date field, the last day of the current fiscal year. Click on the Scope and Delivery Template link and type in your report scope. If you're not sure what your scope is, you can contact FSSS at extension 7200 and review your options for scope or create a scope according to what you would like to see. Or you can run the RQ by department ID. Click the OK button to return to the Envision Report Request screen. Make sure the output options say Web as your type and Microsoft Excel as the format. Once you have reviewed the layout, the As of Date, and the scope, click the Save button. Then click the Run Report button. This will launch the Process Scheduler request screen. Do not select a server name. This will choose the server best at the time. Click OK to return to the Envision Report Request screen. From here, you can check on the status of your report by clicking on the Process Monitor. When the status appears as Success and Posted, go back to your report request, click the Report Manager link, click the Administration tab. Your report will appear as posted if it's ready. Hold down the Control key while clicking on the report hyperlink. This will download the report to your computer. Save the RQ report to your network before proceeding to manipulate the data. Once the report opens, it will go to the Summary tab. This tab will summarize all the funding sources and activity numbers. It will show the following: actual for prior years, original budget for the last full year, your forecast entered in the actual ledger, your original budget versus forecast, your budget entered in the requested ledger, and your budget versus forecast. For revenues, permanent salaries and expenses, OPS, other expenses, OCO, debt service, and total expenses for all categories. Here, for your E&G activity number, you have to pay special attention to your commitment control totals for requested. If you keep scrolling to the right for your auxiliaries, you can further review your operating income, transfers in and out, and fund balances. The RQ also provides position summary, a detail of employees by activity and by account, and a detailed tab by employees. Once you have reviewed all the information in detail, you can then run an FC report by activity number. Update your DBM and rerun the RQ to view your forecast. Once your forecast is complete, you can run an R2 and start planning for your requested budget. Enter your requested data in the DBM. And again, rerun the RQ to get a big picture of both your forecast and budget for all your activity numbers and all funding sources. This concludes the instructional video for RQ Report.